I don't know who I am.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys, welcome back to some more,
Never mind, it's getting
freaking-
staticky.
welcome to
Oh my
freaking
God.
White Noise.
It's,
I'm
okay,
joined
here it
with,
is.
I'm joined with Sage, also known as Sniping You Out, and my
No,
friend
no,
Spice.
you're
I don't even know who's, I don't even know
this
which
guy.
characters they are.
I'm this guy that's sitting around.
Uh,
Don't look behind you, it's behind us, so this is
no,
pretty
he's not.
bad.
He's not behind
What?
us.
Nope, don't look at that.
Oh, what is
That's
that?
Oh, okay, I thought that was him.
What is
Don't
that,
look
by the
into his
way?
eyes.
Oh,
the-
don't go that way, don't go that way.
No, it just don't look.
Who's that? Who's that?
I don't even know where to go.
It's a black
Me
guy.
too.
Wait, did you say there's a black guy? You racist.
A racist.
I didn't say that.
It's a blonde guy. Wait, it's a black guy. Everybody, just turn off your flashlights. It might be safer. I turned off mine.
You're dumb.
Oh my god.
It's so hard playing this with flashlights. This way, guys.
Alright, let's go this way. Oh, books. Quick.
Hey,
Yeah,
books.
we're gonna work.
They're completely
Yeah,
useless
we're
to
gonna
us because
work.
we don't read any. Oh, there it is. There's a tape. Right here.
Oh, there it is. Get it.
Oh
Put it
God.
around the first friggin'
Okay. Crap.
Where are you?
screw.
Oh, there you are. I'm
Oh
scared
God, I
to-
lost you guys. Oh, there
How
you
do
are.
you get lost? Okay, well,
I was
okay, there.
opening the door for my mom.
You were?
Yeah.
Boy, boy, you are
Hey,
a
there's
nice
a
son.
tape, that's this one.
SOS. Don't go over there, don't go over there! Turn around. I don't even know where I
Hello,
am.
friend.
Straight. Go
He
straight.
got
Oh!
me. Guys, he got me. He got me. I'm gonna.
Oh my god.
Go!
We should do this again.
Oh yeah, we are.
Who do you get?
Oh, now I have to find you guys.
Over here, let's head this way.
You get
Okay.
Sage?
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
Sage.
he got me.
Oh,
That's good.
Oh, what's
But I
this?
was looking at him
What
for
the
too
frick
long.
is that? It's an airplane.
Oh!
Run! Run!
Oh, you know what sucks is I can't see him.
Oh, he's
my
right
God,
there.
he's
He's
still
right
He's
there.
still Run, run,
Oh
run.
wait.
Oh god, no, no, no!
Who's gonna
He
be
teleported right in
screaming
front of
so
me.
much? Who's gonna be screaming the most?
Where is it?
Ah! Oh
Ah!
my god!
Alright, don't go over there. Apparently, it doesn't want us to go find the other tape.
It's like,
freaking first tape. I'm good.
and then we have to do this all over again, Anthony.
Oh,
Oh, I know I am. I'm by that green thing.
Oh, screw that! Nope. Nope. No,
Dude.
Where are you?
Where'd you
What
go?
the hell?
Where'd you
You're
go?
not Spice. Why am I calling you Spice?
Oh God, this is what happened.
Where are you?
Oh, what? Oh, this is like a.
Ah!
Dude, this
Oh
is
god,
like
he's
area
right behind the
50
safes.
This is like Area 51.
It's dangerous to go alone. Well, no shit.
This is like. Oh, I found a tape.
Why? Why is there static?
Why am I static?
Why am I static? I think it's
I
because
found
we're away from each other.
No,
Ah!
it's not. That would never happen. It's because he was right next to
Where
you.
are you?
I just died.
I'm at the airplane.
I'm like. I.
No! Did you seriously just die?
Yeah. Oh, dude, I found the other tape. I found the other tape. It's in this like little meat locker place.
No, no, no,
I-
no, 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 no,
I
no,
found
no,
a
no,
tape
no, no,
where that alien spaceship is.
Oh, really?
I am so screwed.
Wait, where are you?
I don't know and I don't care.
What's around
Say
you?
goodbye. What? Oh, I seen Sage's dead body. It startled me.
Wait, where are you?
I'm right beside Sage's dead body.
Oh, okay, I know.
I don't know where the heck you guys are.
I died by the bookcase room. Just stay there. You'll be safe.
No,
Or I'm almost to. Wait, no, I don't even know where I am. I'm lost. We should do this again.
No.
We should.
Definitely, yeah.
Like being alone, man.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
No.
I see your light. Just to let me know.
I don't know what that.
On and
What is that giant green thing?
I don't know. Okay, I see.
I see someone's dead body. Oh yeah, I found Sage's dead body.
Oh yeah, I'm like, I'm like.
gonna die.
Wait, where'd you go? Like, where you found Sage's dead body? Did you go left or up? Or did you go right
Oh
and
my
up?
god, you scared the crap out of me! Oh my
Sage,
god!
where is he?
Jesus Christ! Oh my god!
Sage, where the hell are you?
I'm with it. That's right.
Oh my god!
Where?
I scared the crap out
Dude,
of
where are you guys? I wanna come.
Oh!
I don't know. We're next to the space alien thing, and the tape's right here. Follow me. I'm like, hey, follow me. I'm like, hey, follow me. You just die.
You guys wanna do it again?
Yeah,
Since we got separated.
buddy.
Actually, no, this is all Sage's fault.
I'm a big tough man here. You shouldn't be teasing me. And I think everything is at the same place. This is the alien spaceship. Okay, and I think.
What is this? Oh, it's the alien spaceship.
Don't look at the alien spaceship. No, it's not there. There's tape.
I hear a tape.
Tape right here. Tape only gets tape.
Follow this round into
There's the tape right here.
Where?
Maybe.
The heck's the tape?
Get stuff in the space.
Alright, let's go up in the spaceship.
I don't want to die. First one to die. I don't want to
grave
die.
come from?
Alright, let's go, guys. Oh, we can't go up there.
Freaking maybe because we're
Where'd that grave come from? You guys see that?
What?
There's like a grave over there in the hall.
Where?
Don't you see that grave right there?
This grave right here.
Alright, now I'm freaking out, because I'm the only person who can see that.
Hold on, guys.
It's like, is that my grave?
It is. I'm stuck. I'm stuck! Guys, I'm literally stuck. I can't do anything.
Behind a chair.
How do I get out?
Let's just leave them to their base.
You guys are screwed up in the head. Help me, Sage. Push.
Push
That
them.
sounds wrong.
I can't get out!
This is why we're gonna die. Yeah, no. I gotta move back.
There we go.
Okay, we good? We good.
Maybe the spaceship is just like transmitting something. Maybe there's no tape.
Is this guy an alien?
Alright, let's go, guys. Come on.
Where are you?
Whoa.
There.
Okay,
Over
that
here.
hole scared me.
We're just all running. Here we go. Here. All here.
No, I don't want to be last.
Oh, don't go down there.
Why not?
'Cause I have a feeling that the aliens, the green thing is down there.
For some reason, oh, I think he is like slender.
Said he doesn't come until the first tape.
Well, after a while, it's...
Oh, guys.
Yeah, if you don't find any tapes and you suck like that, like, he just comes no matter what. He's like, this kid sucks.
I hear the tape.
There's tape. Doesn't it
That's really close.
scare you when somebody's like, doesn't even tell you you can get a tape and like it comes on automatically?
Yeah.
And sometimes you think it's that guy.
That sounds so close.
Oh, there it is. Right there.
Where are you guys?
Now I'm
Okay, we're
scared.
dead.
There.
We're dead.
Alright, let's all stick together.
No, I don't want to be left.
I have a bad
No, no,
feeling
no, no.
around the corner.
I
No,
hear
I
him.
hear something.
I'm scared
Ah,
to turn the
don't turn
corner.
around, don't turn around, don't turn around, don't turn around,
Don't-
don't turn around, don't turn around, don't turn around, don't turn around.
He's just like walking super fast.
Oh, over here, over here.
Might want to pick up the pace.
Oh god. I'm getting
Oh god, we ran into a mine. Ah! He's right across! He's right across!
right there! Never mind.
Nope, 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 nope.
Where are you guys?
No, 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 no.
Right there?
No, 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 no.
Ah,
Okay.
that's scary.
Oh!
Where is he?
No one turn around.
Alan's pissed.
I don't see him.
Why does he chase us? Like, is he here just to rape us?
He may be Slender.
He's horny.
He just... He's... Oh, wait, we're all
What's
guys,
down here?
right?
Don't! Please don't leave me.
Didn't catch up. Oh god.
I
Oh,
can't
god.
sprint. I've used it all.
Ah! Turn around!
No, no. Where do we go? Oh, no. No, I'm following.
I'm going
You
this
died?
way.
Oh. Alright, so Spice is
Oh
out.
god, he's right there.
Spice,
Where are
you,
you guys?
Spice, did you die?
It's dangerous to go. No. No way.
We went back
I'm
into
gonna
the hallway
die.
that we
I'm
came
gonna
from.
die. I'm gonna die.
Not, I think I'm
gonna
gonna die.
I'm so gonna.
Ah!
I died. I died.
Whoa!
I died. You guys left me alone.
Why did you come?
I did. Well, right when you guys left, I saw him right behind me, walking that way. We should do this again.
No, we should. Okay, probably. Yeah, one more game after this.
Okay. Nope. 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 He sounds like he's like 3 inches away from me.
It does, doesn't it?
Okay.
I think the game was.
I wonder if anybody has completed this game yet.
Okay.
This is how we gonna die.
Oh, we came from there. No, don't leave me, please.
Oh, not there. That's a dead end. Ah!
I found a train
Over
station.
there? Yes, he's over there.
Run.
Guys, I found a train station.
Good for you.
Thank you.
After us.
Now let's head over
Yeah,
here. Maybe
because-
he's left.
Okay.
No, 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 no.
What?
Okay. Since we're gonna play another game, what difficulty do you want it on?
Just lower it, just by...
Okay.
Is it hard?
Yeah, it's hard. No, it's like super ultra hard. Stay with this. Stay with this.
Ah!
What? Ah!
Ah, I see. Wait, no, I don't see you guys. I don't even know where you guys are. Oh God!
Where'd he go?
Wait, did I find a tape?
Oh!
I found a tape, but I can't get it because I'm dead.
Where are you? Oh.
Right behind you. I'm not getting alone again. That was horrible.
Yeah.
Don't go in
I
there.
learned from my mistakes not going alone because I was alone. You guys left me there, and I died. Now I just...
Oh, got my flashlight. What?
What happened?
Yeah, Slender Elementary.
Oh yeah, dude, that game was scary.
Yeah, it was.
It's like you have
My
like
flashlight
you have a-
is dying.
It's like no, it's like your flashlight actually dies in this game, but it doesn't. It's like it dies and boom,
Oh
you have to
my
reach.
God. My
What?
flashlight's
Yeah.
about to die.
Mine is too.
It doesn't. Oh well, you guys are dead.
Ooh, prison.
Oh no.
Don't drop the soap,
This
guys.
is not good.
Don't drop the soap. You've been warned.
Check all the cells.
No, I'm not checking any of the cells.
No, don't go
Yeah.
inside of it.
Just check
I
one
hear
of
it, I
them.
hear it,
Maybe
I
he's-
hear it. I think it's in
Maybe
this
he's
cell.
one of the Maybe he's one of the prisoners.
No. It's in the next one. Oh, not that thing. Ah! 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 Go straight, go straight! They're behind us.
Wait, who's behind you?
Oh, there it is.
How much? And get out of here.
I can't. I'm stuck in prison. Alright, go forward.
It's like you grab the safe and the freaking gate shuts behind you.
Oh yeah, and then he teleports behind you. And, like I said, don't drop the soap.
Oh, now we're going to die. What the frick?
What?
My controller just vibrated and stopped.
Yeah, mine did.
It's like,
Mama's doing that too. What is this? Oh, we're back at the ship. Ah!
Here's
Ah!
one of-
Don't turn around!
You're like one of these.
Oh, there you are.
Oh!
How is he? Okay.
Oh, both of you guys are still alive, huh? That's awesome.
Where are you, Sage?
That's for me to know and you to find out.
I don't want to.
Probably dead.
Yeah, I'm dead because you guys left me alone.
Hey, that was not
It's
our
like-
fault. It's your fault for being slow.
No, it's the freaking guy's fault because, like, literally, they're like, oh, you shouldn't go alone. And it's like, you guys go back. I look back, he's like right.
I don't know.
Does it look like a train station? Or a submarine station?
Oh! Hey, we're in the Texas Longhorns. Freaking book. There's a tape.
Yes! 3 tapes. It's a miracle.
I think this is the
Yeah,
highest
at
I've actually got.
At least you've gotten 3. It was better than our 1.
I'm not surprised Sage died.
Friggin' because you guys left me alone.
What the frig was that?
What?
Some scary noise?
Just don't pay attention
Booga
to the
booga
noise.
booga. See? Wasn't that
I'm
scary,
scared to
right?
turn. Ah! Rambo Sequencer! Don't ask why I just said.
No! I'm out of friends. Don't leave me.
You're my only friend. You're my own.
Why can't we be friends? Why can't
Turn around for me. I don't want to.
we be friends? You died? Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh, dude.
Dead, it looks like.
You know what sucks, Anthony? You left one in, the alien ship room.
Really? Did you finally find it?
Yeah, it took me forever, but I did.
I'm scared to turn around.
You have to come.
My volume in my headset is full blast for my
Come on, Anthony.
Oh crap. I'm scared. I'm in the train.
turn around. Oh, I know where you are. Just turn around.
I don't want to
He's
turn
not-
around.
Okay, turn around for a second. And they right there. Probably he is. Then you're dead.
Last time I was in here, I got killed.
No way. You got killed last time you were in there? No
I'm
way.
scared, Sage. So
I'll
scared.
come find you.
I never thought I would be scared in an Xbox game.
Well, Amnesia is an Xbox.
Oh god, well, my controller vibrated. That's not good. What? What's so funny?
Oh, I found another tape.
Are you serious?
That's gonna make it 6.
I don't want to turn around. Why are you guys telling me to turn around? Turn
Oh, we don't know.
around. Every now and then I get a little bit low.
Oh my remember?
I'm back
like,
at the
in
book club again. I don't want to go to a freaking book club. I don't like books. Books make
read
my
books.
head hurt.
Read books.
Book
honey.
makes hurt head. Head hurt. Book hurt head hurt. Books. Book.
Turn around.
I don't want to turn around even though I'm lonely. Every now and then.
What?
Oh god, you're freaking, your ghost, your spirit.
That's what Sage did to me.
Yeah, I literally.
Whose dead body is that?
That is.
Oh, god. damn it.
I think that's yours.
Guys, my battery unplugged. I'm scared.
Don't ever see. Oh, dude, there's one in the alien spaceship room. You gotta turn around and get it.
Your spirit keeps freaking me out.
Yeah, Patrick, don't freak him out.
I don't even know where Sage is.
I know.
What was that? I just heard noise.
You're hearing
Right
the
behind
wind.
you.
No, like literally, he's right behind you.
I don't like building.
He's right behind you.
If you hold me down the X button, you can see.
Yeah. Hold
I
down
have the X
button.
button turned off. Ooh, what's
Crap,
this?
I don't exit the game.
Do it again.
That doesn't help with off. I have to turn around. Oh, thank God he's not turned. He's not behind me.
Do you still know where I am? Do you know where I am? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Shut up. It's
Well,
raining men.
At least he still hasn't
Hallelujah,
got.
it's raining
At least
men.
he still hasn't got you.
Why do you say great? You jinxed it. Now he's gonna get me. Thanks.
Yeah, that's why I jinxed it. And Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
Sage, protect me.
We can't see him.
Sunshine on sun.
No, Mr. Griffin is not
He right here. He right here. Don't turn.
Oh God,
around.
I feel vibrations. Sage, stop touching my butt.
Oh, yeah.
That's me.
You son of a bitch.
Sorry, that's me.
Oh, both of you guys are here.
Oh, no way. I'm the one who scared you the second time.
I'm scared to go in here because I think he's in here. Literally about to touch me inappropriately.
Well, you
Stop
actually
getting in front of me.
Surprised you're not dead yet.
Same here. I'm surprised I'm not dead.
Yeah, and this is on.
Actually, I'm
Nightmare.
surprised I'm not surprised that you guys are dead. I'm actually
I
not
hear-
surprised that Sage died. I hear it on the opposite side.
Anthony, don't leave us.
Why are you...
Because I'm trying to play it smart and not to.
What happens if you have to turn around and you're at a dead corner? Dead end.
I had to, remember? Back at the trains.
What happens if that?
Okay. My battery's on. My battery on my freaking flashlight's about to die.
Come on, you guys.
Remember that room back there?
We're not listening to you.
Why? Why was that? Why did
He's not going that way. I wonder what the Invisible Man would look like dead.
Wait, where was there a tape? In here?
Yeah.
Where?
I was just kidding. I just wanted you to separate.
I hate you.
Oh well, he couldn't even get in the other room.
You're a triple bastard.
Okay. Yes, we did a trap for 19 minutes and 32 seconds. It's gonna be a lot.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Do you guys want to say anything before we stop the video? Okay.
Awkward silence, that's all.
Okay, so we'll see you guys next time.